Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video. So this is the second part of the vlog on RNA226 from BLR to Kathmandu. So the meal service has just begun. I've given a full meal. So this is a veg meal with some coke, water and 2 cakes. And there's obviously a dining set which includes a fork, spoon and knife, all plastic, and there are some tissues with salt and sugar for the tea and coffee. Okay, so the sun has just set right now. So we have leveled off at 35,000 feet and now the meal service has begun. So yeah, and once I finish eating my meal, we're gonna go see the reviews of the restroom. So I'm gonna eat my meal quickly and then we're gonna see the restroom review. And by the way, I've turned on this reading light for extra visibility for these parts right here. So yeah, so in the drink options there were tons of them. The one was Coke, the other one was Sprite, the third one was Fanta, and there were 3 types of juices: orange, pineapple and lemon. And for the lovers out there, wine lovers, there was also beer. Okay, so this tray table I've put it to the front position. I can extend it here also, so but for me this is the most convenient one. And by the way, I forgot to mention to you, this is the Sharklet version of the Airbus A320-200, the newer version. The old one had wing tips just like the A380 I have, but this is the newer version of the A320-200 which comes with Sharklets. And now I'm going to show you the navigation lights in the pitch black. So yeah, this is the one. The red light is the left navigation light and the white one is the flashing light. And now let's see the engine. So this also has its own light blinking on the downside. Time for me to have my dinner. So I just opened my meal and this is a dal chawal and some rice, my favorite one. So I'm gonna enjoy my meal. So it is 7:15 right now, so the landing is expected to happen between 8:30 and 8:45. So there is some slight turbulence. I'm still eating my food, so I'm not able to hold the camera, so that's why you can see the black screen in front of you. So it's 25 minutes into the flight and we have leveled off I think 10 minutes ago, because we had a very pretty quick climb to 35,000 feet and then no turbulence after the last one, but we are having slight course correction maneuvers like bang to the left and to the right. So I picked up the camera. I'm done halfway eating the meal, so I just realized there was some butter here. So when I flipped the muffin down, there was some butter also on the bottom side. And by the way, this glass is also great in condition. I can use it to pour my water because they've given me a pretty large glass. Anyway, I'm gonna finish my meal. So there's one thing I really love about this tray which is used to serve the meal, that there are separate compartments for each of the meals. Like this is for the water, the juice or the drink glass, and this is for the cup which is used to serve the muffin in. And then there is one for the dining set over there, and there's one large one for this one consisting the actual meal. Okay, so I'm done having my dinner. So yeah, it's currently 7:30 now, and then you can see some, yeah, I thought it was lightning, but it is actually the aircraft's navigation light. I got mistaken. And by the way, the sun has set fully and it's now completely dark. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes since I finished my meal and we are being hit with some very high severe turbulence. It's shaking the plane like crazy. So I think the weather has changed now, and even if I touch the glass, it's very cold right now. just like the refrigerator at home. I mean, the air conditioning is not that cold nor that hot. It's at the comfortable level, but I think its outside temperature, minus 35 degrees Celsius, is actually making this glass cold. But imagine the outer pane, how cold this must be. I think this one is, I think about, I think 13 or 14 degrees, but the outside will be definitely in minus ones because the outer pane is the one which gets exposed to the harshness of cruising altitude. By the way, I'm gonna go to the washroom review in very soon as the crew collects the tray. I'm gonna fold my tray table and go to the washroom review. Quick update. So I'm gonna do the review of the restroom after the coffee and the tea has been served because I really love tea. I'm gonna have a glass of tea and then we're gonna go for the washroom review. And by the way, in the middle I'll be telling some things like we've been hit with turbulence or the time or anything because the camera is an automatic feature of closing the recording as soon as it's no longer in operation, but for I think more than 7 or 8 minutes because it happened to me during the first year birthday of my car. That was the situation which I came across, so that's why I'm gonna be resuming the video every 5 to 6 minutes, so hopefully that doesn't get like stopped recording. Okay, so it's taking a bit longer than expected, so that's why I'm postponing the review of the restroom to the next part. So please, I'm very sorry for the inconvenience, but stay tuned for the next part, the part 3. It is the part where there's going to be the washroom review, the descent and the landing. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and have a nice day as always, and bye bye.